181.fm.
This is 181.fm.
Right now, when you come in and switch to T-Mobile, you get the amazing iPhone 11 Pro on us with iPhone XS trade-in.
Aren't these mountains majestic? Joe, are you even looking?
I'm posting these amazing pics I took with my iPhone 11 Pro. It has 3 cameras.
Whoa, those pics are amazing. And you have service too?
T-Mobile, their newest signal goes farther than ever before.
Then you can look up whether these are bear tracks, right?
Or we could just run.
Come to a T-Mobile store today and get iPhone 11 Pro on us with iPhone XS trade-in. And right now, get 4 lines for just $30 a line with AutoPay. Switch today.
Contact us if you cancel or credits may stop at full price due, plus taxes and fees via 24 monthly credit for well-qualified customers with qualified service and finance agreement. 0 down with trade-in plus $31.25 times 24 months. Pre-credit price $999.99. 0% APR while supplies last.
With stations featuring songs from today's hottest artists.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song.
To the classics we love.
We started singing bye bye this American Idol. Chevy with the levee, but the levee was dry.
More than 70 stations. This is your lifestyle, your music. 181.fm. This is all real. Real country. 181.fm.
I can't wait to show you.